Only one of these people is our actual animal puppeteer. The other three are imposters. Please, can you introduce yourselves?
My name is Manuel. I'm 22 from Twickenham, and I go gym 5 times a week.
I'm Michael. I'm 70 years of age, and I'm from Kent. In the winter, I work as Father Christmas.
My name is Hattie. I'm 29 years old and I'm from Norwich. I enjoy solving puzzles, writing songs and playing guitar.
My name's Seb. I'm a vegetarian and I like hiking and running.
What do you think?
That's tough, Vern.
So we've got a part-time Father Christmas, an avid gym goer, a vegetarian, and Hattie, you enjoy long walks.
Matt, Clara, I'm going to give you some clues.
Yes.
Here are your 3 clues. This person has a degree in puppetry from the Royal School of Speech and Drama University. They've been performing their talent professionally for 6 years. They're an animal lover with 3 cats named Lola, Bosie, and Crucia. They also have a dog called Peach.
This is tough,
This is
Clara.
so tough. It really could be any one of you 4, which is what's really tricky.
My vibe is Sebastian, but I might be reading him all wrong.
If you're feeling unsure, which you obviously are, I can take away 2 of our imposters.
That sounds good, Vernon.
But doing that, Matt, will half your money, which means you'll be playing for £36,000.
Do you know what, Clara? Like, I've got nothing.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
I hear you, friend.
So I'm just gonna have to just chop the dough and double the chances.
All right, let's do it. Let's get rid of 2 of our imposters, please.
Okay.
What are you thinking, Manuel or Sebastian?
I don't know whether the outfit is a clue. Manuel looks too young to have been a puppeteer for 6 years and then 3 years at university. Does that mean he went to university at, like, 12 or something?
Maybe it's a child prodigy.
And what are you feeling?
I feel like it could be Manuel. But then Sebastian has got a very cheeky, like, there's an almost smile on his face that tells me it could be him.
Do you know what I mean?
Right?
That's the thing.
Right?
So who are you going to go with, Matt?
Vernon, I'm gonna go with Sebastian.
All right, performers, go backstage. If you're correct, you're about to win £36,000. However, if you're wrong, I hate saying it, you're going to leave with nothing. Good luck, Matt.
Thank you, Vernon.
Is Sebastian the animal puppeteer?
Come on.
Animal puppeteer, show us your talent!
Please be Sebastian, please be Sebastian.
Come on. Oh, this is too much. Oh, what? Come on. Oh.
There's only you in my life.
Oh, my goodness.
The only thing that's right.
Giraffe, Lionel Richie.
You're every breath that I take. You're every step I make. And I want to share all my love.
It's my brother.
with you. You will always be my endless love.
Oh, God.
Who is it?
Oh,
Who is
God.
it?